Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Brittany. So in today's video, we're continuing to look at four amazing move-in ready homes. So these homes are really fixer-upper, guys. They're just in really great condition and ready to move in. So let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, and don't forget to give this video a like. I'd really appreciate it. Let's talk about this home in Roseville, Little River, St. James. It's being listed for 23 million Jamaican dollars or US $149,438 or 114,473 pounds. Now, this lovely home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property that sits on a 4,086 square foot lot. So this house is sitting on a decent sized lot. It's really decently sized, and as you can see, guys, the inside of the house is quite spacious. Yes, you do have a lot of space. You can fit all your furniture, seating furniture, dining furniture, living room furniture. I really like how much space there is in this home. Here is your kitchen. As you can see, you have a space to hold a 2-door fridge. Can add some more cabinetry there and just work on that, but beautiful kitchen nonetheless. Here is one of the bedrooms. As you can see, it can hold a queen size bed with a lot of other furniture. Here's your bathroom. You just have a standard tub shower combo right here, and then these tiled walls. Here's your laundry area. You have a single wash tub. You have a little shelf there for your washing items, and it can hold a washer and dryer. And then you have this lovely back porch. You guys, they have like a little gym set up there, but you can have just like a sitting area, just have it as a porch, whatever you would like. I think this home is a steal. You guys, I really think this home is a steal. If you agree with me, comment down below. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this right now? I think this is the other bedroom, and it seems to be able to hold all this furniture. This is the master, you guys. So your master seems to have like, it can hold a bedroom, your bedroom set, along with like a nice sitting area in your master as well. Really beautiful home, guys. And for $23 million, I think this one is going to go really quickly. As you can see towards the back, you also have like an outside laundry area, little wash area, and also a water tank. So guys, I'll leave the link in the description box down below if you're interested in that home. $23 million, Roseville, Little River, St. James. If you're looking for a great starter home in the Gregory Park area of St. Catherine, this is your time. You need to listen to me right now. This house is listed for 10 million Jamaican dollars or US $64,973 or 49,771 pounds. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house that sits on a 1,802 square foot lot. It's located on 23rd Avenue in Gregory Park, St. Catherine. Now, this home features a carport for, one single carport. So, you could fit a car in the carport and then you could park another car right there. And even over on the side. But, just for decency. 2. Right? It has a porch area, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, again, living, dining, kitchen, and laundry. So if you're interested in this one, you guys, I'll leave the link down in the description box below, and you can send the realtor a message, or if you have your realtor can reach out to them, and you guys can go ahead and do a viewing. So 10 million Jamaican dollars, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom in Gregory Park, St. Catherine. All right, my St. Elizabeth people, I've been feeding you some lovely homes in St. Elizabeth, and it continues in this video today. This home is listed for 24 million Jamaican dollars or US $155,935 or 119,451 pounds. This house is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house, and it's located at 75 Beatles Boulevard in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. This house sits on a 439 square foot lot. That is a huge lot, quite sizable, lots and lots of space around you. And this is a multi-family home, guys, based on how the home is divided. All right, so on the first floor, that's the upper floor, you have 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, kitchen, living, dining, and that huge balcony as you saw a while ago. Perfect for entertainment. You can host parties there. You can have a little, go out in the night, watch the stars, however you'd like. And then on the ground floor, you have 2 separate, like self-contained flats. All right. So, and you also have a double carport on the property. So this one would be great for multi-families. So multiple families can live in this property at once, right? So there's possibility of, possibly like renting it out, or if you have a really large, like extended family, each like family section could have their own little section. So the way, however the family is divided, you could have like your own section. So if you're interested in this one, again, the link will be in the description box down below, and that's where you will click so that you can send the realtor a message, or your realtor can reach out to this realtor and share all the lovely information. The last home I have to show you in today's video, guys, is a good one. So this one is listed for 25 million Jamaican dollars, or US $162,433, or £124,428. This is a 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom house located on Kingfisher Close in Old Harbour Glades, Old Harbour, St. Catherine. This house sits on a lot size of 2,929 square feet, and as you can see on the inside, you do have a decent kitchen with nice built-ins and upper and lower cabinetry. You do have, I'd say, a decent size, bedrooms, secondary bedrooms. Here's the bathroom. The bathroom will need some updates. I personally would get rid of that like shower enclosure, get a more modern looking one, and but that's just my preference. So yeah, here's another bathroom too that would need some work, but you guys, for a 4 bedroom, you just take your time. Okay, you just take your time and renovate as you go along. It's not bad. Here's this lovely balcony here on the upper floor. And when you come out on this balcony, you'll have a nice view of your community. Really, really great. So if you guys are interested in this one, you will click the link in the description box down below to reach out to the realtor. All right, and that's the last home I have to show you guys today. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Why are you watching the videos and you're not subscribed? This is like the 5th video you've watched and you haven't subscribed. Why? It makes no sense. It makes no sense. So subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a video first, because you guys know these homes go really, 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 really quickly. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, tell me in the comments which home was your favorite and which parish you would like me to showcase next, and also put the budget. Put the parish and the budget, right? So put how much you're pre-approved for in whichever parish. And until my next video, bye guys.